Hey, how's it going, guys? I just recently picked up these side skirts. I already tested them and fitted them on. Today we're just gonna go ahead and sand them down, paint them, hopefully get them back on down today. I picked up this duplicate color, I think dark green mica. I got two of these puppies. I also got some clear coat and some primer. I also got some 800 grit sandpaper. It's my first time doing this, so bear with me. Hopefully we don't fuck this up. Alright, so I just finished sanding down both of them. They're both pretty smooth now. There's some parts that I couldn't get, especially on the other one. Probably because I needed a coarser grit sandpaper. But it's fine. It'll do for now. I think now I'm just gonna start primering. Or we'll start the whole painting stage, I mean. And yeah, let's get started. So I finished primering both skirts. I actually had to run back to Pep Boys to pick up some more primer. One can wasn't enough. So I'm afraid that 2 cans of this isn't enough, but we'll see, hopefully. We'll probably just do a can for each skirt. Alright, well I'm going to go ahead and start laying this down. It's been about 15-20 minutes since I put down the primer. Should be ready to go. Hey, good morning, guys. Last night we ran out of light, so I kind of just finished up everything by myself. This is the skirts right here. To be honest, I kind of did a bad job. If you look closely, you could see laps in the paint. But it'll do for now. I'll go ahead and shoot one more can clear coat before I decide to put them back on. Alright, so I just finished spraying that last coat of clear. I waited about 23 minutes for it to dry. I'm about to slap these bad boys back on. There it is. Finished product. It's not perfect. There's probably some parts that I should have and could have done better. For example, like these edges right here. Also in between the door jambs. I didn't really paint that part because I thought, you know, I didn't think you'd be able to see it that much. These edges right here. I think the passenger side is the better one, but you know, like I said, could have been better, but it was all a learning experience.